Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of Festival Days. Festivals bring people together, and today we'll dive into another vibrant celebration. Question 1. Who was the commander of Ravana's army? A. Kumbhakarna, B. Indrajit, C. Akshay Kumara, or D. Vibhishana? The correct option is B. Indrajit. Question 2. What does Vijayadashami literally mean? A. 10th day of victory, B. Victory of Rama, C. Good over evil, or D. End of fasting. The correct option is A. 10th day of victory. Question 3. What type of effigies are burnt during Dussehra besides Ravana? A. Meghnad and Kumbhakarna, B. Indrajit only, C. Only Ravana, or D. None? The correct option is A. Meghnad and Kumbhakarna. Question 4. Which animal did Hanuman ride to cross the ocean? A. Eagle, B. Monkey, C. Himself, or D. Horse? The correct option is C. Himself. Question 5. Which material is used to construct traditional Ravana effigies? A. Clay, B. Straw and bamboo, C. Stone, or D. Metal? The correct option is B. Straw and bamboo. Question 6. Who was the Vanara king assisting Rama in the war? A. Sugriva, B. Vali, C. Hanuman, or D. Angad? The correct option is option A. Sugriva. Question 7. Which form of goddess is worshipped in West Bengal during Dussehra? A. Kali, B. Durga, C. Lakshmi, or D. Saraswati? The correct option is B. Durga. Question 8. What is the popular folk drama performed in North India during Dussehra? A. Kathakali, B. Ram Leela, C. Bharatnatyam, or D. Nautanki? The correct option is B. Ram Leela. Question 9. Kumbhakarna, Ravana's brother, is known for A. Great wisdom, B. Immense size and long sleep, C. Flying powers, or D. Magical weapons? The correct option is B. Immense size and long sleep. Question 10. What is traditionally done after the burning of Ravana effigy? A. Fireworks and celebrations, B. Fasting, C. Planting trees, or D. Offering rice? The correct option is A. Fireworks and celebrations. Question 11. Who provides moral guidance to Ravana but is ignored? A. Vibhishana, B. Kumbhakarna, C. Indrajit, or D. Maricha? The correct option is A. Vibhishana. Question 12. Which part of India celebrates Dussehra as Durga Visarjan? A. North India, B. West Bengal and East India, C. Maharashtra, or D. Karnataka? The correct option is B. West Bengal and East India. Question 13. What is Ravana Dahan? A. Worship of Ravana, B. Burning of Ravana effigy, C. Ram Leela performance, or D. Fasting for 10 days? The correct option is B. Burning of Ravana effigy. Question 14. Which festival is linked to Dussehra in Nepal? A. Dashain, B. Tihar, C. Holi, or D. Maghe Sankranti? The correct option is A. Dashain. Question 15. Who is the author of original Ramayana? A. Valmiki, B. Vyasa, C. Tulsidas, or D. Kalidasa? The correct option is A. Valmiki. That wraps up day 3. Which festival moment stood out to you? Tell us in the comments and make sure to like, share and subscribe for tomorrow's video.